Hi! Today we're going to learn about the cell cycle. Chapter 5.1. The cell cycle is the regular pattern of growth, DNA, duplication, and cell division that occurs in the eukaryotic cells. The cell cycle has has three main stages: interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. In the interphase, there are three major stages: gap 1, synthase, and gap 2. Gap 1 is the first stage of the cell cycle where it carries out its normal functions. Here, it increases size and organelle numbers of the cell. The cell spends most of its time in G1, although the length may vary. Most animal cells need enough nutrition, size, and undamaged DNA to divide successfully. Synthase. It is the second stage of the cell cycle. It makes a copy of its nuclear DNA. It is loosely organized and appears to be grainy. In the end, the cell nucleus contains two sets of DNA. Gap 2. It is the third stage of the interphase and the cell cycle. It continues to carry out normal functions, and additional growth occurs in these cells. Checkpoints occur also. For the cell to go to the next stage, right, everything has to be in order, such as the right cell size, the right organelle numbers, and etc. The next process we have is mitosis, which includes two procedures. First, we have the division of cell nucleus and its contents. Nuclear membranes are dissolved, and duplicated DNA condenses around proteins and separates. As a product, two nucleus are formed. Then we have cytokinesis. It is a process that divides the cell's cytoplasm. So, basically, we start with an original parent cell, and as a result, we have two daughter cells. Cells divide at different rates. Prokaryotic cells divide much faster than eukaryotic cells since they don't have organelles and cytoskeleton to be divided. So it means that prokaryotic cells have less things to divide than eukaryotic cells have. Then G0. It is the stage where cells rarely divides. Some stays in this stage forever or permanently. Cell size is limited. Cells have upper and lower size limits. If it's too small, the cell can't contain organelles and molecules. The upper limit. The upper limit is due to the ratio of cell surface area to volume. As cell increases in size, the volume increases faster than the surface area. The surface area must allow for adequate exchanges of materials. If a cell doubled its size before dividing, the daughter cells must be larger. If a cell doesn't grow before it divides, the daughter cells will be smaller. The cell growth is coordinated with division and must be large and cells that must be large have unique shapes. The end. Thank you.